Assalamu alaikum everyone. Shiba is pumping, Doge is pumping right now, Pepe is actually moving up, and it does look like today is the day for all these meme coins to really make some move to the upside, and it doesn't come as a surprise, right? Because Bitcoin has been so good. Now let's go into the logarithmic scale here. Let's go back into the weekly, and I think Dogecoin is doing pretty great, right? So it has always been like this. I've talked about Pepe in detail before. And I've told you that I started off with an accumulation, a first move up, second move down, third move, fourth, and fifth. This is an elite wave theory, elite wave 5 theory. And then you do have a channel of a downtrend, and you broke above the channel, you came for the retest, you made another accumulation very similar to what you did right over here. So can we see Dogecoin pulling off this move? Perhaps, perhaps if I do zoom out just a little bit, because what you have right over here, right, whatever you had right over there, is pretty much what you have now right over here. The difference is that we still need to see Dogecoin coming up to 16,338, 0.16, okay, come above 0.16, and who knows, we can start to push even a little bit higher and go to $2 for the next bull run. I personally believe $2 is a fair price prediction for the next bull run. Now, whether it is in 2023 or next year or in 2025, I do believe that's a very realistic target to go up there. No financial advice, is just my own thoughts, okay? Now, second thing is you've pretty much hold this particular level. Now let's see if you can go above here. This is the place where it has been difficult for Dogecoin to really go above. At least for now, I can tell you that Dogecoin is looking for a 0.11732, and looking at how the market structure is looking like, how Bitcoin has moved up, I do personally believe there could be very high chances of seeing Dogecoin coming up here, taking that stop, maybe retesting, and then I'm going to tell you which is the next technical target. So from the point you break above here, you're looking for another technical target to move all the way up to 0.18. So you're looking for probably a trade opportunity of nearly 52%. And I kind of see that happening. But then again, I'm just going to tell you with the last comment that, you know what, you break above it, you retest, and that's when you do actually move up here. So let the break happen, let the retest goes on. And that's it for this update on Dogecoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.